Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, open an app like Play Store. Then you need to click on this button with 3 lines and tap on the icon of an app. Also, misclick. Over here, select Open in Split Screen View and select the other app, for example, Calendar. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and choose Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!